Alright, a little bit of an update on the S2375. It's off the trailer and we are still having a major issue trying to get this hood off. Now I really don't want to unbolt all these old bolts into the old fiberglass. I mean, I could unbolt it and then I could probably, if they spin the nuts on the back side, I could probably just re-rivet it back in, but I really don't want to have to redo all this. Take all this old stuff apart. I mean, that would be the last case scenario, but getting this friggin' plug out has been a nightmare. This side don't even want to come out. This is connected to the back side of the fuse block. So, yeah, I'm just having all sorts of little issues on this. I mean, technically, I could probably grind that. There's just enough room to get a grinder in there. And if I did it a little at a time, then it won't melt it. It actually might be the best thing. Put it like an actual grinding wheel, not a cutting wheel, and just kind of a little at a time in there. There's just enough room to get it in there. That's the only thing holding getting the hood off. And right after the hood, then I'm going to concentrate on getting the radiator out, all the brackets and stuff for it, draining all the fluids like in this guy right here. Just trying to make a clear path to get this giant engine out of here. So this is not going to be the main toter for moving something right now. I'm going to have to concentrate on my Mac. I have a Mac MH600 with a big cam 400 in it. So I'm going to stay steady on this, but since I do have the Mac, I think I'm just going to go ahead and put a hitch on the back of that, so if I've got to move something, I can. And then that way in time I can go ahead and just, an hour a day or so, or every other day, go ahead and get like the AC disconnected, get all this stuff apart, so I can get this engine out. Now the Mac needs a air compressor. Unfortunately, it is different from this model right here. That is a 1985 Mac with the N14 in it. And the fuel pumps are actually the same. It's a PT pump in the back, so I can rebuild that and take care of it. That truck sat for a little while, so it's kind of gummed up, so I'm going to clean it up. I'm just going to go ahead and do a swap on the air compressor on the other one. They're not too much to change it out, so I'll get that done, put some tires on it, and get it back on the road. It's kind of cool. It's a little cab over. I've had it for a long time, and it's just time to go ahead and get it up and going again. So now if I can just get that plug off.